Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Terry from Your RV Specialist. So I'm just going to take a quick peek on him, have him give us a quick review. I'm not sure what year this bad boy is, but they had a tire blowout, right, Terry?
2002.
Oh, 2002? And so it damaged both these doors?
Just did damage this door. This is a new door.
Oh, and it's a new style of door too, which is actually nicer because look at, I just was noticing the difference on how much this door stuck out versus how much this door stuck out.
Yep, they don't make them like this anymore.
Yeah.
Blew out the fender skirt, siding, replaced new siding.
Oh, so this is all new siding here?
Yeah.
Very cool. And then you're doing some woodwork to it.
New J-wrap, waiting for the paint to show up.
It's even funny how when you come down here, you know, you can see the water that has been getting in here over the years. You know, the stainage from it. So, especially down here in the corner. See all that discoloration on there? Oh yeah, it was getting past the molding. Look at all the dirt and stuff back behind it that was getting back there. So it's another reason why you want to make sure that you seal the coaches.
It's actually never sealed. All it had was clay tape.
Oh, that's all it ever had on it?
Yep.
I'm gonna go walk down this way. So, you know, look at, you can see here where Terry's already resealed this side. I'm not gonna touch it because it's pretty fresh, but he's resealed this whole area with silicone where this area was never sealed, right?
Never, no.
Yeah, so you can see how, look at these big old voids and gaps. And obviously it's a little bit loose still till he resecures that. But look how it allowed water over the years to get back in there and hit that wood. So I'm assuming that there's probably more water damage in there, or at least signs of it. But it's just another example of why it's so important to seal your coaches. This whole area has got a bulb seal behind it and it's not sealed either. I would recommend to the owner, if you're watching this at some point, to do a full body reseal. You can see where the aluminum was coming loose and somebody actually took a washer and a screw to kind of secure it in place. But, you know, I would do all the insert moldings. You can see how this is that same style light lens that I'm always bitching about. The base discolored in this particular gets screwed on both sides. Well, it's cracked in multiple spots. When it does that, it allows water to get down into the inside and fill this guy up. And so if you check out other posts and articles I did on clearance lights and lenses, you can see the different variances on that. But hope this video helps you. And if you haven't joined either one of our groups, we have several groups online to kind of help you, whether you're a DIY, whether you're another mobile RV repair guy or a repair shop or just a consumer. You know, check out our videos and tutorials. We have articles, posts, pictures, and albums. And I believe we have, I don't know, I want to say probably 20 or 30 Facebook groups. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. We'll list one of the links in the bottom for those descriptions to get to the groups. Thanks so much.